mixes egg yolk in another bowl. I put mixture vigorously in only one direction.
Makita niyo ako nakaganda.
Asa na ba? Once a curdle form, add this to a fresh egg yolks and beat rapidly. Hindi nakikita.
Tingnan mo saan ba mas
Hindi. Little by little, the salt,
Maray?
calamansi juice,
Ilan?
JB yung kamay mo.
when at least 1/2 of the oil is added. Ilalagay ko.
Kamali tayo. Dagdagan yung oil, tingnan natin.
Nilagyan pa ng ano? Sugar.